Welcome everybody to my Codecademy swag box unboxing video. Now I ended up entering a contest for Codecademy and ended up winning this super sweet box, and here is what's inside of there. So first of all, we have a little note stating that I got some swag and whatnot that's Codecademy branded. It's kind of sweet little message there. And first up, which is really cool, I have a little door hanger to kind of put up on my door when I'm grinding away at some code so people don't come and distract me. I really like that. It looks really sweet. Next up, probably my favorite is a little hacky sack branded with Codecademy logo there. And this is super fun to just throw around, when you're getting distracted or whatnot. Little break, play with a hacky sack. And then I got some stickers. These are kind of sweet to deck out your laptop or whatnot. And next up is a little kind of college situation banner with Codecademy written on there. Super sweet. I'm definitely going to hang that up. Next, we have a little drawstring bag with some cool branding. Again, I wouldn't say this is like the best quality for a drawstring bag, but it might be nice to just kind of bring that when you just need to pack your notes and whatnot. So, not too bad. And then they also included a little water bottle, again, with a cool little message on there. I'm not sure I've heard hydrate or dihydrate before, but nonetheless, pretty sweet. Not the best quality for a water bottle, but it's kind of handy to have around the house. And the last piece is pretty sweet. It's like a little warm pad you chuck in the microwave to warm up whenever you're kind of sore, your neck is sore from coding all day and stuff like that. So yeah, that comes in handy for those long stretches. And that's it. So thanks for the swag box there, Codecademy, and make sure you check them out.